Hi you guys. Today I'm gonna do a review on this uh, Chinese clone MD50 80. It's called the smallest dash cam. Yeah, I glue this clip on so I can clip on my shirt or um, clip on the windshield of the scooter when I ride. Now, the reason I bought this, well, I'm always sucker for cheap stuff, so I got this for $3 at eBay, and I'll just go ahead and give it a try. So if it doesn't work it out, I just kind of toss it anyways. So you heard on the news with all this, um, crash when you're driving and all this stuff. So I'm kind of worried. So I always uh, wanted to get some kind of a dash cam for my scooter, and I just saw this so cheap, so I give it a try. Now let me show you the function of this. So on the side there's a mode, the other one is power. So when you press on the power, you hold down for 3 seconds, you should see the light turn on. The blue light turn on. I hope you see the blue light. See, as you can see, the blue light. Yeah. Now when the blue light turn on, this means camera is power on. And when you press this, you should have a little red light that's flashing. This means it's recording. And when you press it one more time, it should turn off. Now the bottom on the side of mode is when you press it, is activate the red light start flashing slowly, is activate the voice command. Is when the camera hurt, or if the surrounding have some kind of noise happening, to turn the camera automatically turn to recording. And you press it again, the red light should turn off. That means it's back to normal mode. So basically that's just the basic function for this cam. And now let me talk to you about, if you hold it for 3 seconds on the power, it should turn off. Well, this one doesn't work that well, so I always have a problem that it's freezing on me when it's in recording mode. So when it's on recording mode, I cannot turn it off, or I cannot stop it. And sometimes I just have to hold it for like maybe a minute before I actually turn it off. So that's the big problem for this. Now for $3, I wouldn't recommend buying this. Just get a decent one for maybe about 30 bucks. This one is horrible because it worked okay when you do a still video, which is you're holding it and without a lot of movement, vibration. But when you actually put it on a scooter, it vibrates so much, the video distorted so much that you get a headache from watching it. I will show you an example of some of the clip I recorded, so you will see what I'm talking about at the end of this video. But they do have the real MD80. The only difference between the real one and this one is the front of the camera is not glossy like this, and also they have instead of power button right here, they have the slider, so you slide up and down for power, and not the button like this. So that's the real deal. That's the real MD80. This is the fake Chinese clone one. It does take SD card, micro SD card, up to 16 gig, but I doubt it you want to use it. And charging this thing is so crazy because you don't know when it's fully charged or not. From what I saw is when you put it in the charger, down here. When you plug it in, you see the red light starts flashing, and when the red light stops flashing, that means it's fully charged. That's because the manual didn't say anything about it, so that's how I figured it out. But I heard online there's a lot of people have different signal for it. Status light, one of them said is when you plug it in, it should be turned on red, and then the blue light should be flashing. And when the blue light stops flashing, this means the battery is full. But for this one, it's only the red light flashing, and when the red light stops flashing, this means the battery is full. But sometimes I plug it in only for like maybe 10 minutes, and the battery is already full. So I don't know. But if I were you, I wouldn't buy this camera. It's just a waste. It's pretty nice, and it's really convenient because it's so small. You can plug it in, or you can clip it onto anything, your t-shirt, or I clip it on the front windshield. But because the lens is so cheap, it vibrates so much, and it's pretty hard to even watch the video without getting a headache. So this is just a little review of this camera, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I already ordered the the more expensive dash cam for my scooter. Later on, I probably have a video how I install it and how it works on another video. But for this one, I just want to let you guys know, if you buy this thing, just don't waste your money on it. It doesn't work that well, and don't believe what other people said, because even the video itself is horrible resolution. So, well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.